coat still hangs by the door, like you never really left that blue mug on the shelf. Still holds your side of the day. We said time would make it fade, but it only learned your name. And I try to turn the page, but every line leads back to you. Every road I thought I'd take finds a little bit of truth, that we were more than just a moment, more than rain that passes through. Echoes in us, still ringing in the quiet. Echoes in us, echoes in us. We love so hard we can't deny it. I moved on, but you stay near, in the places I don't say out loud. Echoes in us, echoes in us, still singing through the night.
I saw your face in a crowd, on a screen in passing cars, and I smiled at what we were. Even while it broke my heart, you found your light, I found mine. Different roads, same scribe.
And I try to turn the page, but every line leads back to you. Every road I thought I'd take finds a little bit of truth. Some goodbyes don't close the door, they leave it open just enough. Echoes in us.